What's up, Catskill? It's Maddie.
And Kaylee, and here's the Catskill News.
We've been doing this for 2 years.
You've been here for 4.
Such a big part of our school experience.
Who will take our places?
That's just not possible. Seniors have the following upcoming events. May 24th is senior signing at 1 p.m. June 5th is senior breakfast. June 13th is senior walk and senior picnic. The class of 2023 senior trip to Universal Studios will take place on June 8th through the 11th.
Catskill Leadership Green will host and live stream the Meet the School Board candidates this Monday, May 8th in the High School Library Media Center and live on the school website. Student leaders will host the event and provide an opportunity for candidates to share their platform to benefit the school district.
Catskill's Leadership Green will host the 3rd annual Meet the Candidates for the Catskill Central School District Board of Education, Monday, May 8th at 6 p.m. in the Catskill Library. This year's candidates are Henry Hay, Deborah Johnson, Joseph Izzo, Ryan Oswald, Lee Heim, and Alan Kauser. Candidates will have the opportunity to present their platform for service on the school board and answer questions posed by Leadership Green student leaders. Be sure to join us or watch the live stream on our Catskill Media YouTube page. Meet the school board candidates on Monday, May 8th at 6 p.m. in the Catskill Library.
Miss Warden's civic students will be going to a field trip to the 9/11 Memorial Museum and the Financial District on Friday, May 12th from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. All students are responsible for any work missed. What a great experience for our students.
The New York State Region schedule is finally posted. Please make sure you mark your calendars and prepare for your standardized testing.
The New York State Unified Court System is offering paid student summer internships for high school students to work with various court processes. Learn about law, rules, and professional practices. Students will receive hands-on experience under the supervision of experienced professionals. Deadline to apply is Wednesday, May 24th. See your guidance counselor for more information.
Catskill's High School Yellow Ribbon Leadership Team spends a week in the middle school discussing mental health.
Every year, the Yellow Ribbon Club comes from the high school and talks to our middle school students about mental health awareness and the importance of the warning signs of suicide. And our students respond really well to the high school students and are learning a lot.
Yellow Ribbon is important to spread awareness on mental health and suicidal thoughts, and to spread awareness on how to help your friend and family or anybody that you know.
Yellow Ribbon's important because we're educating people on mental health, which lowers the stigma around it.
It reminds kids that they are not alone.
May is Mental Health Awareness Month. Such important activities at Catskill.
Looking for a break from bringing your lunch? Westside Cafe has planned a meal for Wednesday, May 10th. Pick your choice of apple walnut chicken salad or black bean quinoa salad. Complete the form or see Miss Marino to place your order.
Columbia Green Community College is hosting an early evening barbecue to promote our construction and automotive programs on May 11th from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Anyone interested is encouraged to attend. Free meal and learn about a career development program.
The senior class is having a barbecue fundraiser on May 16th during the budget vote day. Tickets are $15 and you have the choice of a barbecue, chicken with baked potato, or pulled pork with mac and cheese. Dinners can be picked up at CHS from 3 to 6 p.m. You can buy tickets from a senior or Miss Consul.
The Catskill Central School District will hold their annual budget vote on Tuesday, May 16th from 1 to 9 p.m. in the CHS Gymnasium. The budget proposal for STARS exemptions will be in full effect. Catskill remains on the cutting edge in technology, with critical improvements to infrastructure and classroom tools. We have expanded our partnership with Columbia Green Community College to offer college-certified courses, a huge advantage in cost savings for our students. We have also built our own CTE certification program to better prepare our graduates for the workforce. All this while reducing staff and staying under the tax cap. Amazing work being done here at Catskill. Come out to vote on the Catskill Budget Vote on Tuesday, May 16th from 1 to 9 p.m. in the high school gymnasium. Cats can and cats will.
Go vote!
The National Honor Society Committee has an action plan to return recycling to our campus full force beginning in the 23 to 24 school year. They're asking the staff to complete the questionnaire so they can finalize their plan.
The Budget Vote Art Show will be on May 16th from 1 to 9 p.m. Students will showcase their artwork, fashion design, sculptures, and even our media will be showcased.
The class of 2025 is hosting an outdoor movie night featuring The Sandlot on Friday, May 12th. See Ms. Sirianni if you have any questions. Come join us for a fun-filled family event.
Wishing Coach Lampman's beautiful daughter Tatum a speedy recovery. Catskill wears our Tatum Strong shirts and wristbands each Tuesday for Tatum Tuesday.
The Catskill Spring Rush Triathlon has added a Sprint 5K race. The race will be held on Saturday, June 3rd, starting at 8:30 a.m.
Cats can rush, cats can sprint. Catskill Spring Rush and Sprint 5K will take place on Saturday, June 3rd, starting at 8:30 a.m. at Catskill High School. This is a student-ran event. The Spring Rush is a run, bike, and kayak race. The Sprint 5K is a run-or-walk race. Come join the fun. Breakfast and lunch. Free to all who attend. Register at active.com. Spring Rush Triathlon and Sprint 5K. Racing through Catskill, Saturday, June 3rd, starting at 8:30 a.m. at Catskill High School. Cats can rush, cats can sprint.
Spring Sprint!
Here's our CNC Sports report.
Once again, we were on the move getting some interviews and just seeing what we can get out of it. I'll start us off with the quote of the day, taking this one out of my dad's book. 3-headed camels rule Outer Mongolia wisely. What is the quote of the day?
I've got 2 hands, 1 beating heart, and I'll be all right.
There it is. Here you go. Okay, we're here with Mr. Powell. First off, what do you think about the Yankees this year? How are they looking?
I love the Yankees. They're looking pretty good. The starting rotation's a little bit weak right now because of a lot of injuries, but I think big perspective, the Yankees are going to have a great season.
Yeah, when Rodon comes back, they'll be a legit team.
100%.
And what is the quote of the day?
Never pet a burning dog.
I like it.
Never pet a burning dog.
Can't do it. Can't do it.
Is that good advice?
Oh, I like it.
Right?
That's perfect. I'm here with Alvin, and he's going to be talking about the sports at our school. Let's see what you have to say, Alvin.
So right now we have modified track and field. We have girls modified, let's say softball, and boys modified baseball. Make sure you stay after school and get those signed up. Thank you.
Thank you, Alvin.
Stay safe.
Thank you.
My good old buddy, Greg. Greg, if you don't mind, what is the quote of the day? Oh, okay. Be comfortable with the uncomfortable. Batman out.
Oh my God, that was great, bro. That was good.
We're here with Zaire. What's your quote of the day?
You live and you learn.
What have you learned?
Hey, Stumpy.
Ooh.
Daily trivia. All right, give me a second. On August 20, 1947, a young pitcher was wearing the number 23, the first black pitcher in the majors. He hit a home run in his first at-bat. Who was he?
Alex Rodriguez.
His name was Moncadubel P.
Any baseball fan would know that.
Yes, sir.
I knew it.
All right. Did you know that Hall of Famer, 318-game winner, Phil Niekro, was born on April Fool's Day? What is your favorite baseball team?
The Yankees.
It's a good choice. Good choice.
I'm glad.
How do you think they're doing this year?
They're doing okay. I think they're having a little trouble getting adjusted to all of the new rules. I think everybody's having a little difficulty trying to figure that stuff out.
Well said, Ms. Bitter. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Whatever. What'd one wall say to the other wall?
Hello.
I'll meet you at the corner.
Thanks for watching Catskill and Catswell.